And if you remember vividly what I said on USDJPY, considering the long-term bullish momentum on USDJPY, I'm not going to be looking for any sell opportunity on this one. I'll definitely be looking for how to buy this pair until I exhaust that bullish momentum. I've been buying this pair for the past 2 months now, and the thing I said about this pair at the beginning of the week was that this impulse leg, and following every impulse leg, we have a retracement phase. And I told you yesterday, price was around this area yesterday. Then we saw the breakdown that happened, bringing price right into our golden zone area. To confirm this, let's pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're running through the length of the impulse leg, and then we have our golden zone right between 50 and 78.6% of that previous impulse leg, which now serves as our new demand zone. So let's label this our new demand zone. So if you were with me yesterday and you took advantage of this trade, kudos to you. That was a nice one. And so right now price has moved outward from that demand zone, and we're expecting a take profit target of, let me see, we are going to project this impulse leg, and to do that we need our Fibonacci extension tool. And if we run our Fibonacci extension tool through that impulse leg, we will see something like this. And if we look closely, we'll be looking at 127.2 and 141.4 as our take profit target. And if we look at that, we will have something like this, something right into this area. 1212 and 1414 is going to fall around this area. So what does that mean? We have a take profit target of about if you are taking it from the demand zone yesterday, we'll be looking forward to a minimum of 400 pips take profit target. However, for those who are yet to take advantage of this trade, what I'll be suggesting at this point is that we should be looking for structures where we can play around with at this point. So what structure are we going to be looking for? We'll be looking for a key level that will be looking for a breakout of that key level to signal us. And the key level, we have one here, we have one key level here, and we have my key level is gold. We have one key level here, and we have another one here. So if I were you and you're here to take advantage of this trade, it's very possible that you look for a breakout of structure of this key level to take advantage of this trade. So that means you'll be looking for a breakout, a retest of that structure, and then right above this level you can join the rally to the upside. By the way, there is a possibility that we still have a retracement into this demand zone to evolve into a reversal setup, after which we can see price go to the upside. So if that happens, lucky you. If that happens, if price decides to come back down, then well, we have another opportunity to take a bullish bias on this one. So that's what I said. If you had missed this, that's one. If you had missed this move yesterday, you still have an opportunity to take an advantage at the break above of this key level I have identified with this orange line, and a retest into a level to take to the upside. Then thirdly, there's a possibility that price can still come down into this demand area to evolve into a reversal pattern where we can take advantage of this trade at a breakout of structure. So that is that on USDJPY. I think we spoke about 3 to 4 pairs already: UK oil, GBP USD, GBP CAD, USDJPY gold, and then which other one should we look at again for this? Which other pair do you think we should look out for? Hello everyone. Okay, let's see what's happening on Eurusd. I think let's see what's happening. Eurusd is bearish. No, this Eurocard is, oh, Eurocard, yes, we have a scenario on Eurocard here. If you look at what's happening on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that we are bearish on this one. And looking left, we see that we have an impulse leg right at this point in time. So with this impulse leg, what's the next thing you look out for? Good. You look out for a retracement into a golden zone area, where we'll be looking for an opportunity to take advantage to the downside. So in that regard, if we pull out our retracement tool and run it through the last impulse leg, we see something like this. Then you can see that we are actually right within the golden zone area, which is between 50 and 78.6% retracement. And let's give this red because it's supply zone. So that's our new supply zone, and I actually have a trade on this one anyway. We have a supply zone around this area, and okay, we have a supply zone here, and we no longer need this retracement tool anymore. So that's that. Oh, sorry. So we don't need this tool anymore. So in that regard, now, since the retracement into this area, we've been seeing multiple rejection of this area, giving further confirmation into the bearish tendencies of this market. So now, if you are still not in this trade, an opportunity to take advantage of this trade comes right below this structure here, where we will be looking for a breakdown, a retest of structure, then a trend continuation to the downside. So now, with that being said, I've been in this trade since the beginning of this week, and price has kept on consolidating, and sometimes you get to a point you want to lose up and close the trade. But I want to see this trade run through. If it's going to hit my stop loss, let it hit it, and if it's going to go to my take profit, let it hit it. So what's our take profit target on this one? We are going to extend this impulse leg. We'll project this impulse leg into this area, and if we do that using our Fibonacci extension tool, we have something like this. Sorry, we have something like this where we look at this. So our 127.2 will definitely fall around this area. So we have something like this, 127.2. Let's make this green, and that's like how many pips thereabout from this run. We have around 230 pips take profit target, and with a stop loss right above the structure here. And what's that? What does that give us? That's around hold on a second, we have around 95 pips thereabout, like 80 pips, sorry. Yeah, but that's like a risk reward of 1 to 2.5 near about. So this is what I'll be looking out for if you are yet to be in that trade. So this is another opportunity lining up for us at this point, and then you can actually take advantage of that trade if it finally happens. So I think we're done for today. I don't know if there are questions you might want to ask or clarifications you need in that regard. So Eurocard here again, I also see that we have like a trend line here, where a breakdown of that structure is a signal that we are going to the downside. So sincerely, I want us to be very patient on this one and wait for signal confirmations that will support these bearish buyers.